today. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you my first impression of the guided pressure budget planner by the beautiful paper by Mo here on YouTube. And I will also be discussing some of my October goals and how I will use this planner to help me reach that goal. If there's something you're interested in, stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Yes, let's go ahead and get into it. So this beautiful planner by paper by Mo is what I'll be using for the next 12 months. And I purchased this sticker that says mind your business, not my budget. And I have an extra one, and I'll let you know what I do with that one later. And she gave me a freebie. It says being on a budget. So I just put those on the top to decorate my little planner. And she also gave me money bingo as a freebie. And I saw her using these on her channel. I was like, I'm gonna purchase me one of them. And look, God just sent me one. So she sent me this as a freebie, and you know Mrs Vee, I'm always trying to optimize my savings. So I went ahead and laminated it so I can use it over and over. So what you do is roll a dice, and whatever number you land on, you either save that amount, invest that amount, pay off debt, or just whatever financial goal you have. Just place the money towards it for 25 days. And there's a minimum of $107. So what I'm going to do with my money bingo is, whenever I get a chance to do another game night, I'll be using this on game night, and whatever amount, and I'll just roll the dice until I actually bingo, and whatever amount I end up with, I'll just be giving that way to one of you guys. So that's what I'm gonna do with this. So we're gonna put this back under here. Let's go ahead and get into it. So in my budgeting, I do not share numbers. You know, I feel like I can motivate you guys without, you know, revealing, you know, a lot of my personal business. There are budgeters that do share numbers, but I choose not to share numbers. So on the first page, you'll get a blank calendar, and I went ahead and filled it out for October. So October the 1st is Friday. So this is what I'll use to track my spending. If you've been watching my channel for a while, I was using my $1 calendar from Dollar Tree. So I am upgrading slowly on a budget. So I'll be using this, and I will also be using the stickers that I picked up from a Pink Cloth Life. Trying to find them. I think they're going to be too big for this. Let me see if I can find them. Okay, yes. So these are some stickers. Some of the stickers I picked up from a Pink Cloth Life, but I think that I'm going to have to cut them for them to fit, because you see the box is a little shorter, so we can make the adjustments. So yeah, I'll be using those for my tracking my spending video. So I'm upgrading over here slowly but surely. I just wanted to show you that you don't have to rush. Just take your time and get whatever items you need. That's how you stay on budget. So my goal for October is 15 no spend days. We have 31 days in October, so at least half of the month. That's one of my goals. So yeah, so over here you have a monthly to-do list. I haven't filled that out yet, and what I love about this planner is this is cardstock. It's very thick, and I love that. So here are some of my monthly goals that I don't mind sharing. But I have, since I started recording the video, I think I'm gonna adjust some of the goals. And Taylor Budget had a great idea. She just choose one goal a month to do, and I think that's a great way to look at it, especially when you're busy like her. She works a part-time job, and she has a young daughter, and she's going to school full-time, and she has a YouTube, and then she's trying to start a business. So one goal a month is realistic for her. But for me, I'm a goal-oriented type person, so I like to challenge myself. And plus, I'll say I'm probably as busy as Taylor, but my priorities are a little different than hers. So, you know, you have to adjust it according to your life. So a lot of my goals are just continue to do whatever I'm doing. They're not new goals. So like, for instance, continue to consume 80 to 100 ounces of water. I've kind of slacked up, so I want to get back to 80 to 100. So that's not like a new goal. I was already drinking water, just not drinking enough. And I was exercising 3 times a week. I just got to get back to exercising 3 times a week. So that's not a new goal. Finish the 10K challenge. That's not a new goal. So you know what I'm saying? You don't have to stress yourself out having like 10 new goals a month. And so this goal, I think I'm going to wait on. This is an exam that I need to take for an at-home job that I want to do in the future, especially when I call myself retiring. So we're going to scratch that one for now. But I am going to try to study at least 3 times a week for that exam. And like this one, continue to network on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. That's not a new goal. So I really don't have any new goals. You know, I'm just continuing what I was already doing. And then some of my strategy for the 10K goal is, of course, you know, sell any unwanted item that I have around my home. No spend days. That helps with the 10K challenge. And work some overtime if I can. And so I exercise with Ann 8 Fitness here on YouTube. I'll link their channel in the description box. If you like dancing but hate exercising, this is a great channel to follow. And this is just some more things about studying. So those studying goals are not like priority right now, but it is on my to-do list. So I also picked up this sticker from her, gratitude. I'm gonna start making me some stickers too. Hers are very thick and nice quality. She has the glossy paper and I love it. And you know, like my for like my spiritual goals, I'm going to continue to be grateful for how far I've come, and my favorite scripture is Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. So that's it for my monthly goal, is just to pretty much continue doing what I was doing. So I love this. I love that she has a place for goals, your strategies, and then anything you want to do. Like extra, I would put stuff like affirmations, like I can do it, you know, God is good, things that's going to help me get to those goals. So, yeah. So, the next page, you'll have some notes. A whole page for notes, and I love that because I love to write. Let me open it up. Okay, and on this budget sheet, she has 1, 2, 3, 4 of these budget sheets, but me and my husband actually get paid 6 times this month. So, I would have to make some adjustments. So, she has a category for all your income. And so, over here, I decided to do my budgeted income, which, you know, I don't share this stuff, but I'm just showing you how I set it up. I'll do my budgeted income, and then my actual income will go over here in this box. Then my expenses for that paycheck, and then I'll probably write something pertaining to my sinking funds or cash envelopes in these other two sections. And then she had, this is what sold me on the entire planner. This sheet and another sheet. She has an entire sheet designated for sinking funds. All the other planners I've seen, they had a sheet, but it wasn't enough. So this one actually had the exact amount for my sinking funds, because I got like 24, 26. So yeah, so I placed all my totals for my sinking funds. And if you didn't watch that video, I just did a end of the quarter 3 sinking fund, count my sinking funds. Check that video out. I'll link it up above. And then she has a place of plus or minus whether or not you took some of the money out. So this is my ending balance. This is my balance at the beginning of October. And so at the end of October, I will put that balance. But I still will not count my sinking funds till the end of the quarter. So I thought it was great that she had more. She has 1, 2, 3 columns where you can add or subtract during the month. So yeah, so this is it. So like I said, I don't share my expenses because I choose the budget. My husband does not, so it's not fair to him to share information. So yeah. So this is the other page that sold me, transactions. So when I do my tracking my spending, then, you know, I use a little sticker and write down what I spent it on. I still come over here and date it and keep a track of it, and I love that. Thank you, Paper by Mo, for thinking of this. She really thought this planner out, and I really love it. So yeah, tracking my spending and the sinking funds really sold me on this one. So yeah, she has 2 tracking transaction sheets, 3 transaction sheets. Yes, yeah, she had 3 transaction sheets, and then the last sheet is debt. I was thinking I was not going to need this, but unfortunately I do. Check out my video where I tell you what is harder than getting out of debt. Yes, staying out of debt. And I tell you my strategies for paying my debt off. So, she has a quote up here: the man who never has money enough to pay his debt has too much of something else. Okay. So she got a column for your creditor, your starting balance, your APR, your remaining balance, and paid. So yeah, so I thought that was great. So yeah, this is the planner I'm going to be using starting October the 1st. I'm glad that it's undated. Most of them are undated, and I'm glad to be using it. So stay tuned. I have one more thing to share with you guys. So you know, I don't do giveaways on my channel, but what I do is called random acts of kindness, because I mainly like to reward people for watching a particular video. So you know, randomly I'll pick a video and just give away some things. So in this video, I'll be giving away these a nice little bundle of things, and if you're interested, just comment in the comment section. I like to budget, and I know that you're interested. So the first person that comments, I like to budget, I'll send these items out to you. And if it's some items in here that you can use them. And if it's some items that you would like to pay it forward, pay it forward. If you would like to give it away to some of your subscribers, you can do that. So the first thing I'm going to be giving away is this Mind Your Business, Not My Budget sticker. I think that's cute. And I'm also going to be giving away these pocket dividers for a binder, 3-ring binder. It's 2 in a pack. It's very cute. Then I'll be giving away this paycheck budget breakdown sheet that I picked up from Ladybug Budgets. You get this, you get a cash breakdown. And I'm also going to be sharing one of these jars that I got from Monet's Money. And I'll link all these ladies' channel in the description box. But I'll be going ahead and gifting these away. So that payment breakdown sheet and the jar and 3 trackers that I have already laminated. 2 cash envelopes that I created myself. It has the transparent front and it has the green glitter on the back. 2 of those. A bank teller slip. And this cute binder pouch that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I think that's cute, and it has the 3 rings where you can put it in a binder if you like. And then to write on the bank teller slip, I will be giving you this ultra fine permanent marker. So yeah, so I just want to thank you guys for tuning in to my videos. As the Lord blesses me, I will be blessing you guys. You know, just stay tuned, because I think this will be the last physical random act of kindness where I actually give away items. You know, because of the pandemic, I just want to keep everybody safe, even though all this stuff is safe. But I'll just mostly be giving away money via Cash App or Venmo. So if you don't have either one of those, check my description box. I think you get $5 for using either one of those. And the thing about it is, you can get a card if you don't want to, you know, use your phone to send money, and you can manually turn the card on and off in the app. So that's what I do. So that's it. This is my random act of kindness. You get some dividers or Sharpie, some trackers, some envelopes, bank teller slip, a pouch, budget breakdown sheet, cash breakdown sheet, and a jar. So yeah, this will help someone who's just getting started, or someone who wants to change up some of their budgeting items. So remember to put in the comment section, I like to budget, and I will know that you're interested. The first person that does that, this is yours. So this is Miss V. I'm going to continue to show you love, and I'm going to always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you, and have a nice day.